No. No. I should be alright. Damn, she clean as hell today. It is a beautiful day. I agree.
What are we gonna do today?
I don't know. Let's wing it. Let's just wing it.
So we're not in a rush then?
No rush.
Sure?
Just a video. I think we're gonna maybe talk to them about how, you know, to get financially situated enough to buy, you know, a toy. Not necessarily a Z06, you know, because, you know, people could actually do much better or much worse, but just to get themselves situated enough to, you know. Oh, let's do lunch. Lunch it is. So what is up, guys? It's been a long time. I realize that. It's been a very busy weekend. I chipped my tooth somehow. Not sure how, but either way it's chipped. Mission accomplished. I had to find a new dentist. Twisted my knee from trying to walk on this thing. You know, obviously doctor's orders don't go over well with me. Officially, I am proud to say that we have a winner for the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. This winner has been with the channel since the beginning, so I saw it only fit to, you know, be that winner. Let's see, what's the name here? Okay, so the winner is Cody James, or at Cody Chattel. I don't know. I have to just put it up somewhere. You will be getting a Tuna Army sweatshirt, which is appropriate for this ridiculously hot weather that we're having, and a $100 gift card. So I appreciate your support. Thank you. And yeah, I think that's about it for that, right?
Yeah.
Do we even start talking about a 10,000 subscriber giveaway?
God, no.
Alright, so
Not
we
yet.
don't know what we are doing for a 10,000 subscriber giveaway, but we are definitely doing a 10,000 subscriber giveaway. Leave suggestions at the bottom in the comment section. We are taking suggestions because we don't really know what to do, but let's start the day. Okay, so where did you take me?
Beverly Airport.
So
But
we're at.
things have changed. Since
Things
I've
have
been
changed a
there.
lot.
These fences weren't here. That wasn't there.
So you can check out these pretty awesome planes over there in the horizon. Everything looks.
Closer.
I really wish we could, but we at least have this bad boy hanging
United States
over.
Army.
I know. So I thought this would be the perfect place to do, you know, maybe a little cinematic video. I haven't done one in a long time and I miss it. So I'm gonna do a quick little cinematic video for you guys. And I don't know, we'll get something to eat.
Yeah.
Hope you guys enjoy this. Added that to the shot. I'm getting a little bit more artistic with my YouTubing. All right, so you better appreciate it. What's the next location?
I think Gloucester. We're gonna go to the beach and go to the Seaport Grill, I think.
The beach it is.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Nice. We made it. The floor's hot, Kim. The floor's hot. It's hot like lava. Oh God. Oh God. So I'm just gonna show you guys a few of the projects that we got going on in the house. So you might have noticed that the garage project got scrapped due to the slope in the back of the house. So we're probably gonna wait a while before we do a garage because the estimates we got were a little outrageous. Oh, come on. Come on. Why? Why? What would your sister do? Huh? What would your sister do? Right next to the lumber material. Ridiculous. Hope I'm proud of you. No. Hope you're proud of yourself. You're gross. And you're gross. No. Oh, it smells so fucking bad now. I can smell it from here. Oh, God. What do you guys eat? So if you guys didn't know this, bullies have a tendency to overheat. So it's important to just keep them cool if you're going to be outside in the heat. So we usually put like a bucket of ice water out for them to enjoy. Where I come from, it's not so glamorous. It's not, I didn't have the best growing up. I should just say that. Yeah, that sounds about right. I didn't live in the best neighborhoods. I didn't go to the best schools. Basically, I grew up in the projects. And in the projects, like nobody teaches you to prepare for your future. So nobody's going to tell you that you need good credit to, buy a house, or you need good credit to buy, nice things. And you just know that you're going day to day. You're trying to survive. Just trying to survive the day. If you can make it past the day, perfect. We'll worry about tomorrow when that day comes. But thank God for the military, because had it not been for that, I would have. I don't know. I think I would have been in a worse off place than I was. By no means am I rich. I am not rich at all. I just, my wife and I just tend to invest wisely. Still drinking. It's a competition to see who gets to the bottom. First thing that you need to consider before purchasing any car is your situation. Like, where are you living? Are you in your parents' house? Are you just basically in an apartment? Are you going to be someplace where you can't put your car in a garage, or you can't afford storage? A lot of people don't take those things into consideration, including myself, where I used to own a 1972 Chevy Nova. I might have said that already. And I would daily that. This is the coming home from deployment mentality where, you're a soldier, you're a young kid, and you just came home from a deployment and you've got like 20,000 sitting in your bank account, and you're like,
I need to go ahead and get myself into a nice car right away.
So I bought this car for like $10,000, not even planning for, I don't know what made me think that Massachusetts just didn't have winters anymore. So needless to say, I didn't crash it, but it just didn't work out winter wise for me. Cold starts on a 1972 Chevy Nova are notoriously bad, provided that you have an apartment, but you're making a decent amount of money. You can still buy your toy, which is fine. Now, at this point, this is where your income and your credit comes into play. So you got to figure out what your credit score is, what can you afford. Not just afford that, but like everything that comes along with it. You have to take into consideration, how much gas am I going to be spending on this car? How much is insurance going to be? What are my payments going to be? You need to take all that into consideration before you even think about owning any kind of car. You have to take into consideration, can I still do everything else that I enjoy? So I love the Z06. It's great, but I still want to be able to, do things around my house. You got to make compromises in your life that will ultimately lead to, maybe growing your life. So after you look at your credit, you got to pick out your car. What is your price range? I'm not going to tell you exactly what you should aim for as far as, price range. That's something that you need to determine with your credit score and your income. I know I've purchased cars where I was making payments on the monthly payments and on the car itself and the insurance and I was just getting exhausted. I couldn't go out and do the things I wanted. I couldn't party. I couldn't do anything. Like nowadays, I've learned that it's better to just pace yourself and, you know, slowly grow your income before you consider buying something ridiculous. She's about to do some magic.
I can't.
She's about to do magic.
There's like so many.
I could tell. She's working up the magic trick, Kim.
Over here. Oh,
Here it is.
I just.
And that's how dog paste is made. I'll squeeze your head again. I'll squeeze your head again. Hey. Cut it out. Cut it out. For the most part, that is pretty much all you need to really consider. So the key is just finding alternate sources of income, no matter what they are. So even if you have to sacrifice that toy for now and just use that money towards investments and just getting another source of income and then getting a bigger toy later on, it's I don't know, it's worth it. The short-term gratification that you get will never ever compare to the long-term gratification that you will get. Hopefully you guys got something out of this video. I'm not a big fan of tutorials, but I feel like I owe you guys that much, and I appreciate all of you for watching these videos. It makes me feel really good. Sorry that I haven't been doing too many action videos, simply because obviously, you know, driving with a cast on, it's kind of difficult to do burnouts or drift or any of that stuff, but it will come. My cast is coming off this Wednesday, and hopefully the quality of the videos gets more action packed. I'll see you guys next time.